In today's video, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Figma quickly and easily. Whether you want to underline an entire text layer or just highlight specific words, this is a simple formatting trick that can make your design look cleaner and help emphasize important text. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the text layer you want to edit. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box on your canvas. If you only want to underline part of the text, double-click the text and highlight the specific words you want to format. Once your text is selected, look at the right-hand design panel. This is where Figma keeps most of the text styling options. Scroll to the text section if needed, and you should see the underline option there. Simply click the underline icon, and Figma will apply the underline instantly to your selected text. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, this is even faster. On Windows, press Ctrl+ U. On Mac, press Command+ U. That shortcut works whether you want to underline the full text layer or just the selected portion of text. If the underline doesn't appear right away, make sure you've actually selected the text itself and not just the frame or object around it. Also, remember that underline formatting only applies to editable text layers, so if your text is part of an image or flattened graphic, you'll need to recreate it as text inside Figma first. You can also combine underline with other text styles like bold, italic, font size, and color to create a more polished layout. This is useful for UI mockups, callouts, labels, and any design where you want to draw attention without overcomplicating the look. So to recap, select your text, highlight the words if needed, then either click the underline icon in the design panel or use Ctrl+ U on Windows and Command+ U on Mac. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.